Welcome to the Geo Masterclass, where we make geography simple, exciting, and easy to master. I am your guide to unlocking the world one theme at a time. Let's dive into today's topic. Think about it. The world influences what we wear, how we travel, and even what we eat. But on a larger scale, climate shapes ecosystems, economies, and the way societies develop. Understanding weather helps us prepare for sudden events like storms or heat waves, while studying climate helps us address long-term challenges like global warming and droughts. It's not just about science, it's about survival, planning, and building a better future for our planet. In this lesson, we'll explore how climate and weather affect our daily lives and why they are crucial topics in geography. Let's dive into the big picture and see why this matters to all of us. In June 2024, KZN and the Eastern Cape experienced devastating floods after over 200 millimeters of rain fell in 24 hours. Rivers overflowed, damaging over 1,000 homes, submerging key highways, and isolating communities. Blood drainage and poor infrastructure worsened the impact, leading to over 30 fatalities and displacing thousands. Damages exceeded 1.3 billion rands, affecting businesses and agriculture. Despite early warnings, many were unprepared. Relief efforts provided aid, but the disaster exposed the region's vulnerability to extreme weather and the urgent need for improved infrastructure and disaster preparedness. Now, using the flooding incident in KZN and in the Eastern Cape as a case study, we'll briefly explore the significance of studying climate and weather so that you can recognize the relevance and the meaningfulness of these concepts in your daily life. Advanced understanding of atmospheric systems could improve weather predictions and allow communities to prepare for extreme rainfall events. For example, the South African Weather Service issued heavy rain warnings prior to the flooding, predicting more than 200 millimeters of rainfall in 24 hours in parts of KZN. However, the unprecedented intensity overwhelmed existing infrastructure, leading to extensive damage. By understanding climate and weather, we'll be able to mitigate the risks that are posed by these extreme weather conditions. In Durban, for example, blocked drainage systems and informal settlements along the riverbanks amplified the impact of flooding. Over 1,000 homes were damaged or destroyed, emphasizing the need for climate-resilient urban design. Urbanization and poor drainage infrastructure worsened flood impacts. So, proper understanding of weather patterns and urban planning could reduce vulnerability. The floods caused damages estimated at over 1.3 billion rands, impacting road networks, businesses, and agriculture. Major highways like the N2 and N3 were submerged, cutting off vital economic routes for days. Floods disrupt local economies and infrastructure. So, understanding weather systems helps businesses and governments to prepare and reduce financial losses. Despite warnings, many residents were caught off guard. Over 30 fatalities were reported due to late evacuation and a lack of preparedness, highlighting the gaps in public awareness and response systems. So, educating communities about extreme weather and early warning systems can save lives by promoting timely evacuations. So, by understanding climate and weather, it will be much easier to adapt to climate change. Climate change is increasing the frequency and severity of extreme weather events, Understanding these patterns is crucial for long-term infrastructure planning. Climate and weather are essential to understanding how our planet works and how it impacts our daily lives. When speaking of weather, we are talking about the short-term conditions like rain, wind, or sunshine we experience daily, while climate is the long-term pattern of weather in a region. By learning about climate and weather, you'll understand how atmospheric systems shape environments, influence human activities, and even affect global events. This knowledge helps us make informed decisions about the world we live in and adapt to its changes. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you found it both insightful and enjoyable. Remember, understanding geography isn't just about maps and facts. It's about making sense of the world around us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for joining me here on GeoMasterClass, where we simplify the complex and bring geography to life. See you in the next lesson. We'll be doing a revision of the global air circulation so that you can understand the rest of the content that we'll be focusing on under climate and weather.